Hello, habari yako mwanafunzi. Welcome once again to our lessons, and I'm your mwalimu, Mwalimu Aaron. In this lesson, we are going to learn about numbers in Kiswahili. Please enjoy. We want to start with numbers from 0 to 10. 0 is sifuri, sifuri, 1, moja, moja, 2, mbili, mbili, 3, tatu, tatu, 4, nne, nne, 5, tano, tano, 6, sita, sita, 7, saba, saba, 8, nane, nane, 9, tisa, tisa, 10, kumi. So 0 to 10 is sifuri, moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. And please don't confuse 6 and 9. 6 is sita and 9 is tisa, and 4 is nne, not ne. Let's look at 10 to 100 in tens. 10 is kumi, kumi, 20, ishirini, ishirini, 30, thelathini, thelathini, 40, arobaini, arobaini, 50, hamsini, hamsini, 60, sitini, sitini, 70, sabini, sabini, 80, themanini, themanini, 90, tisini, tisini, 100, mia moja, mia moja, kumi, ishirini, thelathini, arobaini, hamsini, sitini, sabini, themanini, tisini, mia moja. And don't confuse again 60 and 90. 60 is sitini, 90 is tisini. And also don't forget that 6 is sita and 60 sitini. 9 is tisa and 90 tisini. Let's look at mixed numbers between 10 and 100. We simply add the tens and the units. For instance, 14. 14 is 10 plus 4. So we simply add 10 plus 4. It becomes kumi na nne. Na is a conjunction. That's and. So this is 10 and 4. Kumi na nne. 23 is 20 and 3. 20 is ishirini. 3 is tatu. So it becomes ishirini na tatu. 35 is 30 and 5. We said 30 is 30 and 5 is tano. It becomes 30 na tano. The same with 59, it's 50 and 9, which is hamsini na tisa. 61 becomes 60 and 1, which is sitini na moja. 78 becomes sabini na nane. 85 becomes themanini na tano. 94 becomes tisini na nne. So we simply add the tens and the units. Now we want to look at these numbers from 100 to 1 trillion. We have 100 here. 100 is mia as a unit, but 100 is mia moja. Mia moja. So 200 as well is mia mbili. 300 mia tatu. 400 mia nne, and so forth. 999, remember, we simply add the hundreds, the tens, and the units. So we are adding 900 plus 90 plus 9. It gives us mia tisa tisini na tisa. 1000, elfu moja. So 1000 as a unit is elfu. So 2000, elfu mbili. 3000, elfu tatu. 4000, elfu nne, and so forth. 54,300, elfu hamsini na nne na mia tatu. So elfu hamsini na nne, 54,000 na mia tatu, the 300. We have 100,000. So please note on this one that when we get to 100,000, it's a bit different on 100,000. 100,000 as a unit is lucky. So 100,000, it's laki moja. 200,000, laki mbili. 300,000, laki tatu. 400,000, laki nne, and so forth. And this only applies to numbers starting from 100,000. But when we get to 1 million, 1 million is milioni moja. 2 million, milioni mbili. 3 million, milioni tatu. 10 million, milioni kumi. 50 million, milioni hamsini, and so forth. 1 billion, bilioni moja. 2 billion, bilioni mbili. 20 billion, bilioni ishirini, and so forth. 1 trillion, trilioni moja. 2 trillion, trilioni mbili. 10 trillion, trilioni kumi, and so forth. Here we have these mixed numbers starting from 1000. The first one is 1467. So we simply add the thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. So literally we are adding 1000 plus 400 plus 60 plus 7, 1467. This is 500,200. Remember we said that 100,000 is laki, 100,000 is laki moja, laki tano na 200. 2023, we add the thousands, hundreds, tens, and units. We are adding 2000, 20, and 3 becomes 2023. And lastly, 1980, we add the thousands, hundreds, tens, and units, which is 1980. It becomes 1980.